Today we just put in a grove of Douglas firs. We also have put in quite a few coastal redwoods. They do well in Scotland. It's wet and gray and cloudy and they love that weather. These trees can put on 1 meter a year, so 3 feet a year. Once they get established, which is pretty remarkable. It's helping shade the forest, bring up the relative humidity so that more life can flourish. This is naturally a temperate rainforest. Life that's very mossy and green. We started several years ago planting a tree for every customer and every employee every month. And we've made it through trees.org and One Tree Planted. But we want to make it real and tangible, and the more trees that we can personally put in the ground, the better. So we have a forest in Scotland, 145 acres. We all share this planet together, and the trees are the lungs of the planet, and that the more companies, employees, people, families can be embedded in the woods, experiencing the woods, giving back to the woods, it gives us a sense of calm from the artificialness that we've created with artificial gadgets that we live on, and getting you back to grounding in reality that we're not apart from this world, we're part of this world and we need to take care of it.